This is how to fix your bank decline this payment in Cash App. If you haven't already, make sure to go to the Cash App on the App Store and update and install it. Once you've done that, let's go ahead and open up Cash App. Now I'll be showing you 4 ways on how you can fix this. The first way is going to your profile on the top right, head on over to linked banks right here. And here we're gonna press on your bank right here or your card. And then we're gonna press remove bank. And then you'll have to re-add your bank account to see if it works. It may be that simple solution, but if not, check your own personal bank account, like if you have Chase, if you have Capital One, any of those banks, head on over to your account to see if anything looks suspicious of any chance. If not that, we're gonna go to our cash balance right here and see if the funds that we're trying to spend is enough right here. And also if our bank account has enough money as well. The bank might be declining because you do not have enough money. But if any of those don't work, you're gonna go in the top right to your profile, head all the way down over and hit support. We're gonna look up decline and press on any one of these and see if it helps you out. But if not, you might have to contact the Cash App bot to get in contact with a person to talk to over Cash App. That is how to fix your Cash App, your bank declining.